introduce our semi-automatic two-hands air cleaning machine. This machine is suitable for different types and different sizes of the bottles. For example, the glass bottle, the practice bottles. So you can see here it has two hands air cleaning hands. And this machine, which showed here, he can adjust the cleaning time here, so you can adjust the seconds of cleaning. And this machine, it will collect the electricity, and also it needs to connect the air pipers. So next I will show you how this machine is working. First we need to open the air pressure piper. And then we use the, and you can see here I put some dirties into the bottles. And next we'll show you how this machine is working. So after cleaning, you can see there are no dirty in the bottles. And next you can see the dirty if you clap here. So this is the whole introduction of our semi-automatic air cleaning. If you want to know more information, welcome to contact us. See you next time. Goodbye.